and the Union Health Ministry, which is also now stepped in to crack the whip. There is also growing demand to free temples from the state government's control, as the VHP's Kendriya body, which is the Kendriya Margdarshak Mandal, that also met and passed a resolution calling the Laddu controversy a direct result of government interference in temple affairs. So, Imran, the demands that has been kept forth by the VHP also demanding that the state governments immediately seize their control when it comes to over Hindu temples.
Well, that's a long-pending issue about this taking out temples out of the control of the government. In fact, VHP and many other Hindu organizations have been demanding for law campaigning also with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi that this standing of the temples coming under the control of the state government should be let go of, and independent bodies of the temple authority should run their own affairs. That is what they are claiming, and in the backdrop of now the whole entire controversy over the laddus, now the state VHP again up the demand that temple should be out of the control and the Hindus should control, they run their own affairs, and it should not be under control of the state government, is what they had reiterated the demand again.
All right, Imran, thank you very much for joining in. As far as that has been another demand, remains to be seen as far as VHP's press briefing that is also yet to take place, where they are expected to share their action plan to safeguard Hindu mandirs. Let's in the meantime also get you the updates coming from the Andhra Pradesh's Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan, because he's been performing purification rituals at the Kanaka Durga Mandir as part of his 11-day the Prayashchit Diksha over the alleged adulteration of Tirumala Laddu Prasadam, and he has undertaken this oath for 11 days where he has been performing as far as these purification rituals are concerned. Remember, it was Pawan Kalyan himself who had sought for a Sanatana Rakshana board that called for, when it comes to areas where Hindu temples that has been destroyed, to revive them, and also had sought for their protection. Here are visuals coming in of the Andhra Pradesh's Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now. Lots more lined up on the other side of a very short break.